So remember that this week our theme is insects, and it's kind of neat that our main reading story is about ants, because ants of course are insects. But we're going to read some very short nonfiction books about some other types of insects. Yesterday we read about how to tell if an animal is an insect. Do you remember there's two main things to look for? 6 legs, 3 body parts. And so we're going to read today about one other type of insect, which is, I'm sure you can already see, a ladybug. But what is very interesting is that not all ladybugs look like this. I thought they did, but they do not. Ladybug, ladybug, how do you do? This ladybug landed right there on that little girl's hand. Ladybug, ladybug, show me your wings. So this is really neat. I want you to be able to see this. So when you see a ladybug still landed, you can see that it looks like a shell kind of over their back. Well, actually, underneath those two halves are the wings. So when a ladybug flies, that shell separates, goes up, and then the wings come out on each side, out from underneath there. So if you look real carefully, there is the outer shell. That is a wing. Pretty cool, huh? Ladybug, ladybug, show me your legs. Fun fact, ladybugs are small flying insects with 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the other side. 6 legs. Ladybug, ladybug, show me your spots. Now look at this. We have more than one pattern and color. So most ladybugs we see are this red with black spots, but ladybugs can also be white with black spots. This one is kind of an orangey yellow with black spots. One of the things that's very interesting is that you might remember we've talked about butterflies being symmetrical, so that one half matches the other half, so that when the butterfly's wings go up and together, you have parts touching each other that match and are the same color, or lines are in the same place on the wing patterns. So the same sort of thing is true about ladybugs' spots on their wings. So on this left wing, there's half a spot right here. So on the right wing, there's half a spot. There's a spot out here to the very edge. There's one out here to the very edge. There's one up here by his head. There's another one up here right by his head. So that those two wings also match in the spot pattern that's on them. Very interesting. Ladybug, ladybug, show me your colors. Ladybugs have from 2 to 16 spots and come in many colors. So here's another one that's kind of yellowy orange, and then this one seems more orange to me. But this one has very little spots. Can you see that? Really teeny spots. Ladybug, ladybug, what do you eat? Do you remember what they eat from the Grouchy Ladybug story that Kelsey read? Aphids. So I wanted you to see this picture because look at all of those little green aphids. And that ladybug is having a great lunch. Ladybug, ladybug, who wants to eat you? Uh-oh, this guy. Ladybug, ladybug, lay eggs on a leaf. Ladybugs lay a few eggs at a time. Ladybug, ladybug, your eggs will soon hatch. Okay, look at this. They're like little ovals, and they stick to the leaf, right at the very bottom tip. See that? That's how they stand up. Ladybug, ladybug, keep warm in the winter. Ladybugs huddle together to keep warm in cold weather. Come to think of it, you never see a ladybug flying around out in the wintertime. You never see one on the snow or on a bare tree branch, right? And that's because they're hiding and they're all huddled together like that. Ladybug, ladybug, wake up in the spring. Ladybug, ladybug, where do you live? Ladybugs live almost everywhere. Ladybug, ladybug, come visit me. Ladybug, ladybug, fly away home. There it goes. It's gonna fly away home. Well, that was very interesting, wasn't it? Okay, we're gonna read some other stories in the rest of this week too about different types of insects, so watch for those.